Top 10 iconic tourist attractions in France. 1. Eiffel Tower, Paris. The world's most famous tower. 2. Louvre Museum, Paris. Home of the Mona Lisa. 3. Mont Saint-Michel. A magical island castle. 4. Palace of Versailles, royal luxury at its finest. 5. Château de Chambord, a fairy tale Renaissance castle. 6. Sainte-Chapelle, stunning stained glass beauty. 7. Pont du Gard, an ancient Roman masterpiece. 8. Dune of Pilat, Europe's tallest sand dune. 9. Gorge du Verdon, France's Grand Canyon. 10. French Riviera, Nice. Sun, sea, and glamour. Subscribe for more travel tips.